Hey guys, my name is Justin. I'm the Wandering Hermit. I'm your brand strategist and designer, helping coaches and entrepreneurs stand out in the social media space. In today's video, we're going to talk about the tools that I use personally to manage my own social media and my clients' social media. So let's get started. All right, so the first tool that I ever use, and probably most of the social media managers and entrepreneurs out there, is a content creation tool called Canva. So Canva is pretty amazing tool for graphics, content creation for Instagram feed, Facebook, YouTube thumbnails, etc. It has buttloads of graphic elements, stock photos, layouts, different layouts for your. So basically Canva is your go-to. It's my go-to for whenever I need a quick visual graphic for my socials or for my clients' social content needs. They have a free version and also a paid version. I invested a paid version but definitely you can use the free version. It has a lot of functionality. The second tool that I use is a scheduler. A scheduler basically means it publishes the content automatically, so I don't have to pull out my phone, type the captions, upload the photo or the graphic. Basically it schedules it out on different time of the day or on different days of the week, and you are pretty much set up for the week or for the entire month. It makes our lives so much easier when we are able to post automatically. So basically we automate the content posting and the content creation for the business. The tools that I use is Planoly for Instagram and Pinterest. I think it's also good for Twitter if I'm not mistaken. But there are many schedulers out there, especially Hootsuite. Hootsuite is, oh my goodness, is a monster of a social media scheduler. It schedules from LinkedIn, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter. I'm actually waiting for them for TikTok. I hope they pull that off for TikTok. Hootsuite is an amazing tool. Unfortunately, these tools are not for free, but if you want a free tool, you can definitely go to Facebook Creator Studio. It's part of now Facebook, where you can schedule your posts, read analytics there. It's an amazing tool by Facebook that they've recently launched, and it's really amazing what you can do with it. So if you need a free scheduler, just use Facebook Creator Studio. Third tool that I use in social media management is, well, Google Sheets. I use it to organize captions, organize photos, influencers to contact, hashtag strategy, etc. It's all there for me to just copy, paste into the scheduler, and just basically automate the process of, social media. And it's absolutely amazing that this simple tool is very versatile when it comes to different tasks. All right, the next one is Flick.tech. So Flick is a hashtag strategy tool for you to use. If you haven't watched my hashtag strategy, the 5 key hashtags that you are able to use for your business, definitely go check that out. And this tool can help you enhance that even more. Basically, it's a tool to analyze the use of hashtags and how many are using it. It will categorize all of the hashtags by low competition, medium competition, and high competition. So it's a really effective tool for you to reach more people, or just use hashtags that are easy to rank on. It costs $9, then up to I think $30, but they do offer 7-day trial, so definitely use it for your Instagram, your Twitter, etc. Fifth one is Asana. Asana is a project management tool that I've used in the past. I haven't used it now, but definitely if you have a team of social media managers or graphic designers, etc., that is fairly focused on growing your socials, Asana is the best way to organize tasks, put down notes, set deadlines. And then the final one is the most important tool that you need to use is the analytics. So analytics of either Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. So definitely you want to take a look at your analytics because you want to know the performance of your social media efforts. I did a video about social media strategy. You definitely need to monitor and optimize your social media media efforts. So I highly recommend that, take a look at your insights once in a while. Data is not really scary. Data will improve our efforts and achieve our goal. So that is it for today, guys. If you reached this part of the video, please consider subscribing because I post videos about social media, marketing, design here every week. And yeah, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.